In this section, I'd like to talk about zoning and its effect on comfort. Most houses in North America are single zone systems, so you have one thermostat, usually in the hallway of the main floor, and your HVAC system is a central system, so it's going to come on and it's going to draw the air from all different floors at the same time, and it's going to deliver to all parts of the home at the same time. Unfortunately, that results in many cases with upstairs being way too hot, especially in the summer, and the basement being too cold. I think we've probably all had that situation where you're putting the kids to bed on a hot July night, and even though the thermostat is set for 70 or 72, it's 80 or 82 upstairs, and then it's 65 or 60 downstairs. So you get this stratification. iFLOW solves this problem by incorporating zoning into many of our units. And what zoning does is it divides your home into separate sections. You can zone it floor by floor, basement, main floor, upstairs, or you can zone it by function. So let's say living room, dining room, kitchen, great room. Those could all be one. All the bedrooms could be another zone because they're all similar temperatures and used at similar times of the day. So there are many ways to divide your home up into different zones, but then each of those zones will be its own comfort zone. So it'll be thermostatically controlled and thermally controlled to maintain the temperature that you want in each of those zones when you want it. When you're not using those zones, you can also shut them down so that you're not delivering any heating or cooling to those areas that you're not occupying, so thereby saving energy. So zoning is a great option, not only for delivering better comfort, but also better efficiency.